Hi guys, Yegi here. In today's video, we're gonna do a full volume set using just pre-made fans. We're gonna use the Yegi Russian volume 60 eyelashes in lengths from 11 through 14 in a nice doll eye shape. I hope you enjoy. If you're curious what's been going on with my life and the business, it's been about 5 years since I started my own business, and I just did a video about all the updates and some of the ups and downs and I don't know, some fun stuff of where I stand now. So go to the Life of Yegi YouTube channel, and that's where you can see those types of videos. Okay, so why would you use the pre-made fans versus the handmade fans? Pre-made fans you would use in order to save time and also be able to do hybrid or volume sets, even if you're not fully trained on volume eyelash extensions. So you may want to use the pre-made fans because it's a lot easier to use and you don't have to hand make the fans, you don't have to master that skill yet, but still you can get a hybrid look or a volume look even if you just learned how to do classic. Because with the pre-made fans, you basically just apply one full fan onto one natural eyelash and you get a volume style. So quick summary of what classic, volume, or hybrid are. So classic has one eyelash extension on top of one natural eyelash. Hybrid has on half of the natural eyelashes one classic eyelash on top of one natural eyelash, and on the other half fans or few eyelash extensions in a fan formation on top of one natural eyelash. And then volume has all fans. Okay, so that's how you get your distinguished, like, I don't know, that's how you get the different looks, or people charge different prices for each type of set. Another reason why you may want to use the pre-made fans is because each single one of those fans are very perfect and very uniform, and you get a very, I don't know, perfectly fanned out, fluffy look with them, okay? Another reason why you actually might not want to use the pre-made fans is because it ends up costing you a lot more. Since they are fanned out and in the tray, you end up getting less eyelashes. With the handmade fans, you can make a lot more handmade fans within that tray, okay? So it just depends if you want to save more time or you want to save more money. That's how the preference goes, and also the look, okay? The pre-made fans in each tray, all of the fans are uniform. In the handmade fans, you can make some wider fans, some smaller fans, and get different looks. You also hear me saying or talking about 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Again, if you're new to my channel or this video, what those, or two eyelash extensions actually, what that number means is the amount of eyelash extensions within that fan. So if it's a 4D fan, there are 4 eyelash extensions within that fan, okay? If it's 60, 70, that's how it's distinguished. Oh, as I was saying, if you've been following me for a while, and I don't know, I kind of feel like these tutorials are getting a little bit repetitive. If you're new to it, then obviously it's not, but those of you that have been following me for a while, let me know what other type of videos you'd like to see in regards to eyelash extensions. Or if these are great and you just want to keep seeing different looks with the same full-on tutorial. We're gonna start off by putting the lint-free eyelash under eye patches to hold down the bottom eyelashes. And we're gonna use a clear tape over the under eye patches to keep it in place very well and to give us a nice smooth lint-free surface in order to apply the extensions. I love using the clear tape on top of any other tape or anything I use underneath, because even if tiny bit of the glue gets stuck on the under eye patch, with the clear tape on top of it, it's easy to peel off and easy to take off compared to pulling or hurting the client. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and prime the eyelashes. I'm gonna use micro brushes, one from above, one from below. You don't want to use too much, but you do want to make sure they're all fully covered with the primer. That's gonna help our retention. And afterwards, make sure the eyelashes are dry before you start applying. And here are the eyelashes that I'm using and the tweezers. One is to isolate, which is the G tweezer, and then the F1 I'm going to use as my volume tweezer. All the products will be linked below, so don't worry about really writing anything down. Just pay attention to the application and learn as much as you can. You want to apply 1 to 2 millimeters away from the skin or the lash line. You never want to touch the skin. That's when you can get irritations, you clog the pores and the hair follicles. Make sure, I cannot say this enough in every single video. Make sure that you do not touch the skin. That's the main mistake I see all my students and all the lash, or a lot of lash artists, doing out there, and this is what's causing pain, discomfort, infections, irritations, all that bad stuff. So make sure you're not touching the skin. Now, putting fans in the inner corners is a big challenge. So I just want you to watch and see how I struggle or also maneuver the tweezers from side to side or underneath of the little tiny natural lash and the fan in order to hold it in place exactly where I want it. I think the best way to learn this is by watching and trying. But yeah, inner corners, always a challenge with fans. For this video also, I am applying the fans kind of in order. I'm not jumping around the eye like I usually would, and the reason for that is I'm really kind of trying to test to see the mega hold glue to see if it's gonna dry quick enough for me to be able to do this and that they won't stick together. So that's the reason why I most of the time just jump around the eye, is to give the glue a little bit more time to fully dry. But in this case, this glue is really fast drying, so I was able to get away with applying so many so close to each other without them getting stuck together. It is actually a 1/2 second to 1 second glue, which is really, really fast drying. So for that reason, make sure if you're not advanced enough, you don't use such a fast drying glue. You use like a 1 to 2 second or a 3 second glue to give you enough time to get the extension exactly where you want it to be. Also remember, isolation is very, very important. You want to have one natural eyelash in between those curved tweezers. When you're isolating, you want to see one natural eyelash, and you want to glue the fan or the individual extension on one natural eyelash. Each of our hair grows at a different rate, so when we glue too many natural eyelashes together, or even 2 natural eyelashes together, one and the other are gonna pull on each other as it's growing, because the one next to it might not be ready to grow just yet. So for that reason, in the long run, you'd be damaging the natural eyelashes if you glue things together. So make sure you work on your isolation. I cannot say that enough. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, give me your feedback. I would love to hear from you. So I am very grateful for you for following and supporting and being part of my journey. Thank you again. This might be the last video of the year, so Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever else holidays anybody else out there that celebrates. Happy all of that, and Happy New Year! Bye guys! I hope 2021 is an amazing, kick-ass, badass. You're so cute! Stop staring at me, Alexander. Anyways, I hope 2021 is the most perfect year. Well, you know, every year I hope it's better and better for everybody. So if 2020 sucked for you, I hope 2021 sucks less. No, just kidding. I hope 2021 is really an amazing year for everybody. Sending my good energy, good vibes, and jujus all your way of whoever's watching. Okay. Bye. Gotta tend to my baby. He keeps whining. I love you. Bye. Some behind the scenes for you guys. So while I'm trying to record, this guy keeps on interrupting me. But he's the best distraction ever. Yes, you are. Mama loves you. Yo. Okay, Alexander. Say hi. Smiley. Do a smiley at least for the camera. Do a smiley for the camera. Smiley. Good job. Good job. If you've been following me for a while, I also feel like these videos... Stop it. I love you. Shh. Shh. You're so cute. So this is my distraction. You're so cute. Say hello, everybody. That's a camera. That's a bright light, huh? Oh, Mama loves you. Just give me 5 more minutes, Alexander. 5 more minutes. I hope. Oh, I don't know what I was talking about.